三。
Hello, this is Jolene. Today I'll introduce this powder filling lamp for you. This powder filling lamp is including the auger conveyor, which transfers the powder to the packing machine silo. And after that, here is the packing machine. This packing machine can use for different bottles, from small size to big size. So now we can work in it. You can see the working principle for size. First, the bottle will come automatically, and then to your filling and filling. The filling weight, we can change the filling screw wiggle. You can see here position system, also with the dust collector to assure the factory is clean. So after packing again, we can transfer the product to another step and sealing. We can now we check the accuracy. It's about 1 gram. So if you are interested in powder packing machine or on the radio tab, you can contact us. We have different solutions for you.